wanted to do in this time is to share with you how I made my disinfecting shoebox thing. It's essentially a mat, or well, it's not a mat, this one's a box, where you can disinfect your shoes before going in your house, which is especially important nowadays. You can't always leave your shoes outside. I live in a condo, so I really can't. You're just gonna need a few things: old dish rags or an old mat, gloves, plastic gloves, rubber gloves, some tape, plastic of any sort. I have a garbage bag over here. You'll need 2 tablespoons of bleach. This is 1.5 liters of water, but I can put conversions down below. Any old shoebox. So for sure your feet will fit in it. Your shoebox. Okay, so you just want to make sure to like line the inside going into the corners. If you don't want a shoebox, you can use an old baking tray, an old breakfast tray. That's pretty much it. That's pretty good. Okay, and then I'm just going to, I don't know why I wore my gloves already because it's harder to use. Anyway, okay. Maybe I'll take my gloves off first. So you want to tape it. Again, I'm going to do this really, really crudely because this is going to go outside. So we're probably going to fast forward at some point. Ta-da! Ta-da! There! Perfect. Kind of. This'll do. So you want to get your old, these are old dish towels. You can use old shirts, old sweaters. So I'm just gonna put these and layer them inside. And there, see? Random rags, very simple. And then you wanna get your 1.5 liters of water. And this is 2 tablespoons of household bleach. So what I do is, I'm just gonna I'm not gonna shake it or anything, but I'm just gonna try to mix it a bit. Ooh, swirl. So I like to leave this bottle inside so that when I enter, it's the first thing by the door. I grab it, I douse this with liquid, and then I step on it. So again, you want to do that carefully. And you can use that to disinfect your shoes. It smells lemony. Ta-da! That is it. I wish I brought a shoe. I can get a shoe. Ta-da! I have shoes. Okay, so maybe I should shoot this outside. Okay, but imagine me standing with this on the ground and I'm just like rubbing. There. Easy. So easy breezy cover. Can't say that. Okay, finished. Now what do I do with the sheet? No more shoes. Okay, so that's essentially what you do. And there, see, this one just closes, and then I just leave this by my door. That's about it. If you want to see other random DIY stuff, let me know. I hope you like this video. If you do, then you can click the like button. If not, well, what can I do? You can also subscribe. I'll be posting more of my random videos, and they really will be random. Okay, so yay! Bye. Oh, maybe I will show where I put it. Maybe.